集爱吃光的小调皮电子。
Hi, Dr. Chris. Hi, Dr.
Hi. Hi, children. In the last lecture, we went up the stairs and down the stairs. Do you remember the game we played? If you know how to jump, you can jump up and then jump down. It required a lot of strength to go up. How about you? Does it require more strength to go up or down? That's right. It takes more energy to go up the stairs than down the stairs. And where do you think this energy comes from?
我的力气是从我的手上、腿上还有身上来的。
Exactly. Kids, do you ever realize when you have high energy and low energy? When you're hungry, do you feel tired? And when you've had food, are you strong? When we're on the step, we have energy to give. To give it, we jump down. Did you hear your feet hit the ground? Can mom and dad feel the ground shake like a big stomp? That's the energy from you. Kids, isn't it amazing? When we play the stair jumping game, we are like the electron, and the ground is like the nucleus. Do you remember the atom family? The protons and neutrons live in the nucleus, and the electrons swirl around outside. When the electrons move up or further away, they absorb energy. And when they go down or get closer to the nucleus, they release energy. Do you understand, Meng Meng?
所以说电子就像我们一样，它们吃东西来得到能量，进行上下移动。
Yes, but not quite. The thing that electrons get their energy from is not food, it's light.
啊，光？
Yes, about 100 years ago, scientists made a discovery. They discovered that electrons don't eat food. They absorb light to increase their energy and release light to decrease their energy.
哇，太神奇了！我要是也能吃光就好了。这样的话，我每天晒晒太阳就行，再也不需要吃东西了。
Haha, okay, Meng Meng. Electrons they eat light, just like the children eat food so that they can jump to a higher step with their higher energy.
哦，我明白了，电子也很调皮，它吃饱了就会从爸爸妈妈身边跑走，饿了就会回到爸爸妈妈身边，是吗？
Exactly. Electrons are like the children. They always stay near their moms and dads. Hey kids, do you remember the atom family? We can draw the picture like this. The nucleus is at the center, and the electrons move around on circles. The bigger the circle, the more energy it has. And the smaller the circle, the less energy it has.
克里斯博士，快看，为什么有的电子会突然发光呢？
That's a great observation, Meng Meng. And if you want to be a scientist one day, you're going to need to make great observations just like that one. Kids, just like when you jump and give energy to the ground, an electron falls from a high orbit to a low orbit. But instead of making a sound, it releases energy in the form of light. Through looking for shining electrons, scientists have found the atom family. This is just like at nighttime in the street. You can't see the cars, but the lights are on, so you know that they're there.
哇，谢谢克里斯博士，我现在就去告诉爸爸妈妈怎么寻找原子。
Wait, Meng Meng, I haven't told you how electrons move. This is a very important point about quantum physics.
电子不就是围绕着核子绕圈吗？ 就像我们绕着爸爸妈妈跑一样，力气大的宝宝在外边跑，力气小的在里面跑。
Well, Meng Meng, you're about half right. Unlike babies running around in circles, electrons move on orbitals. When they have enough energy, they're going to jump up, or they'll fall down and release an amount of energy. This is just like us jumping up the stairs.
我明白了，就是说，电子虽然绕着爸爸妈妈跑，但有时候会跳近，有时候又会跳远。
Right, but I must say, us jumping up and down the stairs and electrons jumping between orbitals are very different.
我知道，它们一定是在空中飞过去的。
Well, no. It's more like they have a magical power, where they can jump to different orbitals in a flash. See, one was over here, and it appears over here all of a sudden, just like a flash.
哇，它们一定是会魔法，吃饱了就往外边跑，饿了就会回到爸爸妈妈身边，是吗？
That's right, you're so clever, Meng Meng. Now kids, you can be clever too and give Mom and Dad their next physics lecture. Hey Meng Meng, what are you thinking about?
我在想你刚才说过的话，你说电子是靠吃光来长力气、长能量，那电子要吃多少光才有力气跳到更远的台阶上呢？它要是没吃够，会不会掉下去呢？
Well, that's a very thorough thought, Meng Meng. See, electrons are very smart. They won't jump up to the next energy until they've eaten enough. They'll stay on the same orbit until they've had enough energy.
我明白了，就像我，当我吃了100片桉树叶，我就可以爬到树顶。当我消化完这100片树叶，我会感到很饿，这时候我就会爬下来找妈妈。
Yes, Meng Meng. It's just the electrons aren't quite like you, slowly climbing.
它们会发生变化，同时还会发光。
You are a quantum physicist. Kids, have you understood it as well? Great. Now let's play another game. It'll make you clever.
做游戏喽！
First, we draw a dot. And then we draw several circles. The dot will be like the nucleus. And children, you will be like the electron. We'll start at the lowest energy level. And then you'll give the balls to Mommy and Daddy. There are 2 rules. The first rule is, if you get tossed a yellow ball, then you have to jump up 1 energy level. And if you get tossed a purple ball, you have to jump up 2 energy levels. Now, if you throw a yellow ball, you have to jump down 1 energy level. And if you throw a purple ball, you have to jump down 2 energy levels. And that's the game. Okay, kids. After playing the quantum physics game, talk to your mummies and daddies about quantum physics. If you were the electron, then what do the circles mean? And what do the balls represent? In the next class, we're going to talk about the answers to these questions and about the colors of the balls and light. Oh, looks like we're out of time. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.